Hi there! Today we're going to learn when peacocks first appeared, why they have those huge tails, and how they won the hearts of people around the world. Let's go! Peacocks belong to the pheasant family and appeared around 20 to 30 million years ago, during the Miocene period. Their ancestors lived in Asia and later spread to Africa and other regions. Their closest relatives are pheasants and chickens, but peacocks became famous for their colorful tails. Today, peacocks can be found in India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and even parts of Africa. The Indian peacock is the most well-known, with its bright blue feathers and fan-shaped tail. The African Congo peacock looks more modest, but it also belongs to the peacock family. A peacock's bright tail is not just for decoration. It helps them attract females during the mating season. The bigger and brighter the tail, the better the male's chances of impressing a female. This is an example of sexual selection, where females choose males with the most impressive tails, even if it makes it harder for them to hide from predators. Peacocks have always inspired people. In India, they are symbols of beauty and immortality. Their feathers have been used in decorations and rituals. In ancient Greece, the peacock was linked to the goddess Hera. In Christian culture, the peacock symbolizes rebirth and eternal life. If you've ever heard peacocks, you know they can be very loud. These calls help them mark their territory and attract females. They often call before it rains, so in India, people believed that peacocks could predict rain. Peacocks can fly, but not very far. Their tails can grow up to 1.5 meters, 5 feet, long. Peacocks hold the Guinness World Record for the largest flying bird with a long tail. Their feathers have special angles that reflect light, creating a shimmering effect. Peacocks appeared millions of years ago, and to this day, they remain symbols of beauty, grace, and the power of nature. Next time you see a peacock, remember that behind its beautiful feathers lies a long story of evolution and the wonder of the natural world. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to learn more about amazing animals.